Day-3 focused on science experiments, show and tell to help children develop resourcefulness and problem solving. Glad we could bring a day providing and nurturing intellectual curiosity of our children.
How to make acrylic colors at home by using some simple things which we can easily get at our home. So for this, what we need water, we need any talcum powder, it should be in white color, Fevicol. Okay, now let's start. Just take little amount of talcum powder in any bowl or any container in which you wanted to prepare the color, and add little amount of Fevicol into it. And by using brush, mix it well. Now I'm going to add few drops of water and mix it again. Now you can see almost we had completed our white acrylic color. This is white acrylic color. Now we are going to use this white color and we will add few colors to make it, and we will get more colors from it. For making more colors, I had just used turmeric powder, blue ink. You can use fabric whitener as well. I'm just using blue stainer, or you can use any fabric whitener. Detergent. Now we had prepared this one, the basic color, white color. Now I'm just going to divide it another bowl. I'm going to add little amount of turmeric powder, mix it well. Adding few more quantity. yellowish color as required. Okay, now I had divided that basic color into another bowl, and now I'm going to show you to make how it can be in blue color. I'm just using this syringe to take few drops of this blue ink, and now I'm just going to add into it. If you do not have the stainer or any ink, you can simply take any fabric whitener. Now you can see how beautiful color it is. Like this, you can make blue color. For making red color, just take a pinch of detergent in a bowl and add a spoon of this yellowish color that we had made earlier. Now you can see here the color is turning into reddish brown. Now I'm adding little quantity of water. For making a red color, I'm just using red stainer or red ink. With the help of the syringe, I'm going to inject it. Now adding few drops of red stainer into the basic white color. You can add as per your requirement. Now mix well. You can see the wonderful color you are getting. Pinkish color. Now I'm going to show you how you can make different colors by using such colors that we had made